Hi everyone and welcome to TUI Suneo Caribe here in Ibiza. My name is Linda and I'm one of your TUI hotel representative in this hotel, and today I'm going to show you what this hotel is all about. This hotel is super close to the airport, only a short 30-minute drive, and it's also super close to the local beach just down the road here, and you have all of the shops and restaurants and really nice bars to enjoy whilst you're here during your holiday. So, from this now, let me show you what this hotel looks like on the inside. So, now, welcome to our lovely reception desk. Here, it's open 24/7, fully staffed. So if you have any question, if you need any help with anything, there's always someone behind the reception to help you at any time of the day. Here we have a check-in from 2 p.m. and then you have your checkout time at 12. So you have plenty of time to enjoy anything in this hotel. But now let's go and check out the pool, come on. So welcome to our beautiful pool area behind me here. As you can see, the pool is massive, so you have loads of space to go for a nice swim, enjoy your time in the pool on a hot day like we have lots of them here in Ibiza. Or if you would like to join in on the entertainments, organized aquafit and aqua gym sessions that they have every single day for you guys to enjoy and get those extra activities in. Welcome to our splash park. So here is the perfect setup for the young ones to have fun all day from 10 in the morning until 7 in the evening. All the water park comes to life at 10 o'clock, and then this is perfect for everyone in any age. I love it here to enjoy the water slides throughout the day. Also here next to the water splash, we have a little small kiddie pool as well for the young ones to truly enjoy the times here in the pool. Welcome to our ping pong table. The equipment you can easily get from the reception for a very small deposit, and off you go and have a good match. All right, welcome to the bar. Here we have a token system where the reception staff will give you a token upon check-in, where you exchange for a cup here at the bar, where you will be able to enjoy our load of drinks options that we have here, or even my personal favorite, the gin tonics. So here you have plenty of options to choose from, and the bar is open between 11 and 11 every single day of the week. And also down here in the corner, we have our snack bar, which is open between all the restaurant hours for you guys to feel full and happy throughout the day at any time. Hi guys, and welcome to our restaurant here in the hotel. Here in this restaurant they serve loads of different food that fits everybody. We have casual dress code, meaning you just need to dress up over your swimwear and you are good to go and enjoy your meals here. The restaurant itself have lots of different variety, and also they have my personal favorite, which is the Tapas Wednesday, which they go and serve every Wednesday throughout the week. The restaurant itself is open from breakfast time from 8 a.m. until 9:30, and they're open for lunch from 1 p.m. until 2:30, and then we have the dinner, which is from 7 until 9:30. Let me take you in to show you one of our superior rooms with a pool view. Let's go. So as you can see, it is a very light room. You have 2 single beds together. You have a huge cupboard. We can put all of your stuff in there. You have nice aircon. We have a sofa over here, which you can easily fit, super comfy, which also converts into a bed. If you are 3 people that would like to share a room, that's possible as well. And let me show you also the amazing view we have in these rooms. Now, here you have a full view over the pool. You can also overlooking the sea in the front, and you also have view over the sea on your left-hand side as well. Welcome to our service desk. Here you will be able to find a hotel TUI rep every day of the week, and we are here between 9 a.m. until 1 p.m. and then we come back from 5 p.m. until 7:30 every single day. So this gives every of our guests every opportunity to come down here and have a little chat with us, ask any questions that you might want to have answers to, and then we're here to help you in the best way possible. We're here to give you the best holiday and best advices of the things you can do here in Ibiza with us. For example, loads of different excursions that we have on offer for you, and my personal favorite, the Catamaran Ibiza Day with all-inclusive drinks and food on board. So anything that you might need, we're here to help you every single day. All right, come with me, guys. Here we have one out of our two entertainment main stages. This one is located on the inside in the lobby of the hotel. Here we have plenty of space to enjoy a little boogie in the evening time. The entertainments are here to entertain everybody, young, middle, old, whatever you like. There's always something for everybody. Here they will have mini discos for the young ones. They will have local singers to come in for you guys to enjoy. In the background here we have pool tables that all of our guests can use for whenever they like, and also a little arcade room in the backside here as well for anyone to enjoy the time to do something a little bit different. But mainly here we're gonna spend most of your time enjoying the entertainment team that is provided in this hotel for you. Hi guys, and welcome to our multi-purpose court. Here you can take your friends and your families and then enjoy a good session of football, or even go in and join in on the organized football games that the entertainment have going on here multiple times throughout the week. All right everyone, welcome to our gym. Just here behind me we have a very big gym with lots of different equipment that you guys can use throughout the holiday. This gym is open every day of the week between 10 a.m. and 5 p.m. The only rule that we have in here that no one under 14 is allowed to be here that's unattended by any parental supervision. But other than that, feel free to join the gym and everything it has to offer inside at any point during your holiday. Right, so then welcome to our kids club room. Here we provide lots of different equipment for the children to come in and enjoy. Outside here we also have a little playground for the children to use, where they can play a little bit of football or use our hula hoops rings and do anything that they would like to do out here in our open space. Welcome to our kids playground here in our hotel. This is a perfect area for your kids to enjoy the time outside of the pool, and this area offers lots of different slides, fun things to do, and here they can play however much they would like under parental supervision. All right guys, thank you so much for joining me to walk through the hotel. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you get to see you guys all next year. But for now, adios!